Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PlayLearn family. 1. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of phylum Cnidaria? A. Bilateral symmetry. B. Notochord. C. Diploblastic and radial symmetry. D. Triploblastic and radial symmetry. Answer: C. Diploblastic and radial symmetry. Explanation: Cnidarians are diploblastic animals with two germ layers, ectoderm and endoderm, and exhibit radial symmetry. 2. What is the excretory structure in platyhelminths? A. Nephridia. B. Malpighian tubules. C. Flame cells. D. Green glands. Answer: C. Flame cells. Explanation: Platyhelminths, flatworms, have flame cells, protonephridia, that help in excretion and osmoregulation. 3. In which phylum do we find a water vascular system? A. Annelida. B. Mollusca. C. Arthropoda. D. Echinodermata. Answer: D. Echinodermata. Explanation: Echinoderms possess a water vascular system, which is involved in locomotion, feeding, and respiration. 4. Which of the following is a characteristic of Arthropoda? A. Pseudocoelom. B. Jointed appendages. C. Presence of water canal system. D. Ciliate body surface. Answer: B. Jointed appendages. Explanation: Arthropods are characterized by jointed appendages, which allow for a wide range of movements. 5. Which of the following is a feature of the class Mammalia? A. Cold-blooded. B. Presence of scales. C. Free-chambered heart. D. Presence of mammary glands. Answer: D. Presence of mammary glands. Explanation: Mammals are warm-blooded animals with mammary glands that produce milk for nourishing their young. 6. Which of the following organisms belongs to the phylum Porifera? A. Hydra. B. Cycon. C. Aurelia. D. Planaria. Answer: B. Cycon. Explanation: Cycon is a sponge belonging to the phylum Porifera, known for their porous bodies and lack of tissues and organs. 7. In which class of phylum Mollusca do you find a radula? A. Bivalvia. B. Cephalopoda. C. Gastropoda. D. Polyplacophora. Answer: C. Gastropoda. Explanation: The radula is a toothed, rasping structure found in most gastropods, used for feeding. 8. Which of the following is the correct characteristic of aquaelamates? A. Presence of a true body cavity. B. Lack of body cavity. C. Presence of pseudocoelom. D. Presence of column derived from mesoderm. Answer: B. Lack of body cavity. Explanation: Aquaelamates, like platyhelminths, lack a true body cavity, column, and their body is filled with mesenchyme tissue. 9. Which of the following phyla includes animals with a pseudocoelom? A. Annelida. B. Arthropoda. C. Nematoda. D. Mollusca. Answer: C. Nematoda. Explanation: Nematodes, or roundworms, possess a pseudocoelom, a body cavity that is not completely lined by mesoderm. 10. The presence of a notochord at some stage of life is a defining characteristic of which phylum? A. Arthropoda. B. Mollusca. C. Chordata. D. Echinodermata. Answer: C. Chordata. Explanation: Members of the phylum Chordata possess a notochord, a flexible, rod-like structure, at some stage of their development. Please subscribe for more video. Don't forget to like, share and comment for more updates. Thank you for watching.